Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today Tesla is going up 1.30% roughly right now. We are just under a resistance level or at a resistance level trading around the $300, which is at the same time a psychological resistance and the previous top level from August 25, August 24. So right now it seems like Tesla is trying to stabilize in this area. We see the 1 hour chart, we are moving sideways. During this entire day, we broke this resistance, but right now it feels like we are just moving sideways. So what's next? I mean, is this a bearish sign? Is this a top sign or not? If it does, what could happen to Tesla? If not, what could happen to Tesla? I will try to answer these questions in this video. Just first remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you're new around here, because I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on what's the best regarding price action and technical analysis on Tesla and on other stocks as well, like Apple, NVIDIA, NIO, and much more. All right, so I think you guys are going to enjoy my services. Remember to check my newsletters like the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. I share my personal portfolio with you guys. Our portfolio is exploding. Can you believe? Do you believe that since 2021 my portfolio is beating Tesla by more than 2 times? We are doing amazingly well. I think you guys are going to enjoy my services to you. Just click here. My performance is totally public. I have absolutely nothing to hide because I am extremely confident on my own trading methodology. So I think you guys are going to appreciate my services to you. Now, Tesla, we are at a resistance level. Okay, do we see any top sign right now? No, not right now. Is there any bearish evidence indicating to us that we are going to do a pullback? Absolutely not. Well, but in the 1 hour chart, we are stabilizing, right? Yes, we are stabilizing, but this is not a top sign. I mean, if this is a top sign, you could easily assume that this is a top sign as well. This was a top sign as well. This was a top sign as well. So, you know, I have reasons to be skeptical on top signs on Tesla right now. I mean, what could potentially be a top sign on Tesla? Well, right now we are slightly above the resistance level, okay? If Tesla does today a shooting star candlestick pattern, for instance, which is a bearish, a top sign at least, then I believe Tesla will have decent chances of doing a pullback. Oh, Nathan, what is a shooting star candlestick pattern? I already recommended to you guys Bukovisk's thepatternSite.com. This website is full of statistics regarding candlesticks and chart patterns as well. Now, a shooting star, we have the 1 line and the 2 lines. On Tesla's case right now today, it is the 2 line because we did yesterday a bullish candlestick pattern and today we did a gap. All right, so we opened it at a gap and we didn't fill this gap yet. All right, as you can see over here. Yesterday's close, I'm so sorry, Friday's high was 299.85. Today's low was 300.40. So yes, we did a gap over here. Now, statistically speaking, a shooting star candlestick 2 lines, in theory, it is supposed to be a bearish reversal. However, its tested performance is of bullish continuation 61% of the time. So even if we lose strength today, and even if we do a shooting star candlestick pattern right now, I wouldn't be that convinced of a pullback. But still, even if we see a stronger, more bearish pattern over here, a bearish structure in the 1 hour chart as well, I believe Tesla can easily retest its 21 EMA in the daily chart. Where is the 21 EMA in the daily chart? 287. This point is quite close to the previous top level over here on August 30, which is 288. So Any pullback to this area, I think it is totally plausible, it is totally acceptable, and that wouldn't ruin the bullish bias seen in the 1-hour chart and in the daily chart as well. I still believe Tesla could easily retest the ceiling around 313, 318 up here, even if we see top sign, even if we see a pullback, because remember guys, pullbacks are just opportunities to buy in a bull trend. Right now, Tesla is slightly bullish, yes it is, but we are near a resistance level. If we see a top sign, if we trigger a top sign, which is more important because maybe we can see a top sign, but if we don't trigger this top sign, there's nothing we can possibly do. So if we trigger a crystal clear bearish structure, I believe Tesla will do a pullback to its support levels, and this is it. Then we'll see if it is going to drop more or if it is going to reverse the trend, if it's going to resume the bear trend over here, right? If it's going to retest 250, filling this gap, maybe, then we'll see. But first, I think we gotta see crystal clear bearish structure appearing right now. All right, so as long as we don't see any, all we can assume is that the trend will continue bullish and we are going to retest the previous resistance level. To sum up all that I'm saying, guys, let's not panic over pullbacks. Remember, pullbacks are just opportunities to buy. When we see a stock as good as Tesla, could be any other good stock like Apple, like let me see. Well, we have plenty over here, but for instance, if we see a pullback on Tesla, which is a great stock, we see a pullback, it retests the 38.2% retracement. We see SPY, the entire stock market doing a pullback to a dual support level over here. Usually are in moments like this that we'll see the most amazing opportunities to buy. All right, so let's not panic when Tesla or any other stock is dropping, because well-prepared investors, patient investors, they will just see these movements as opportunities to buy. What I see, it is quite sad because most of the time when I see Tesla dropping, I see people quite depressed. They are saying that, oh my God, the market is such a horrible place. We are not in a good place right now. We see too many bad catalysts going on. So, you know, Nathan, I think we are enough. Well, we did enough right now. I think now it's Tesla will just be bearish for many, many months because I see no light in the end of this tunnel. When I see this going on, honestly, moments like this, they made me extremely excited on the market. All right, so to me, it's just like what Uncle Ben said, with great drops come great opportunities to buy. So this is how I see the markets. Of course, if we are talking about a good company with good fundamentals, good financial health, good growth potential. All right, so if that's the case, then I believe pullbacks are just opportunities to buy. So we'll see, right? Maybe Tesla is going to trigger a pullback right now, maybe not. Either way, I will keep you guys updated every single day in this channel. Remember to subscribe. I mean, if you're still watching this video, subscribe right now because probably you like it, the content, and subscribe to my newsletters as well. I think you guys are gonna be extremely pleased with my services to you. I really appreciate your support, my dear friends. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.